Hello, good evening. Tonight, the Ariens is in the workshop. This tractor, as I mentioned in other videos, if you have not seen them, was made by American Yard Products, AYP. They built this for Ariens for a few years, and I don't think they're doing that anymore. It's a very nice tractor. We're putting some blades on tonight. We're gonna go with two nice new high lift for the 46-inch deck. I will get a link down in the description if you want to buy some. Out there in the world of retail, there is an awful lot of fancy lifts and doodads and thingamabobs to bring up your lawn tractor. And I'm really cheap, and I'm not buying any of that fancy stuff because I've got some bricks. I know another, bricks. I always like to wear gloves. When Sears was still a thing, I bought this little push guard jobby at my local Sears because they at one time had a phenomenal selection of accessories for their Craftsman mowers, which, So, I'll pick this up, put it on the brick. It's very important to kind of get it somewhat settled into place. And set the brake. Well, check it out. Here we are looking up at the underside of the mower deck as I began my investigation and realized that, boy, this is dirty, dirty, dirty. I saw that, hey, even though I had thought I'd tighten these properly when I replaced the spindles, it managed to loosen itself to hand tight, so hopefully there isn't. Okay, well, the spindle isn't destroyed, so that's good. I'm glad about that. But so we've got, this is a 5/8, and as you can see, the blades for these have this 5-star sort of setup, I guess you could call it. Bum, bum, bum. It goes up, kind of clicks itself into place, tighten it up, take the big bar, give it a decent snug without hopefully not destroying anything. Now, to me, that feels properly snug. Move over to the other side. Here we are, the other side, and look at that. Loosened itself to finger tight. That is not good. So here we go. Again, got the 5-star. Get it up in place, like so. Snug that up. Get it where I think is nice and snug. Well, I feel that is snug enough. Thanks for watching. All you have to really do at this point, get your machine down off whatever stand you feel is appropriate for the situation. And, like I said, check the tightness of these bolts. Perhaps from time to time it's just a 5/8 bolt. Thank you. We'll talk to you later.